Hello, this is Mary Dubler, and this is another in our series on animals, birds, and bugs of the Bible. Today we look at the tiny but mighty ant. Surprised that ants are in the Bible? They are mentioned only in the book of Proverbs, and King Solomon, the writer of Proverbs, chose the ant to illustrate an important lesson about laziness. It is estimated there are around 12,000 species of ants worldwide. These insects are found on every continent except Antarctica. They are most abundant in the tropics, and in that climate, ants are active all year long. In colder regions, ants survive the winter by hibernating. Ants are very strong. A single ant can carry 50 times its own body weight. That would be like a 200-pound man lifting 10,000 pounds. Ants will also work as a group to move bigger objects. Ants live in colonies that are subterranean or in trees. The colony can range in size from a few dozen members to millions of individuals, and within the colony there can be worker ants, soldiers, and other specialized groups, as well as fertile males called drones and the egg-laying queens. Some queen ants can live up to 30 years, making them the longest-living insects. Ants work together to support the colony, especially in gathering and storing food. Some of the ways certain ants store food are fascinating. For example, leafcutter ants tend fungus gardens inside their colony by bringing in pieces of leaves to sustain the fungus that they eat. Honeypot ants have specialized workers that consume large amounts of food and accumulate a sweet substance in their swollen abdomens. This living storage can be accessed when needed by causing the ant to regurgitate the liquid. Perhaps the most interesting example is the farmer ant. These ants herd and protect aphids that feed on plants and create a sweet substance called honeydew. The ants stroke the aphids with their antennae, causing the honeydew to be excreted, which the ants then eat. The virtues of hard work, discipline, and forethought are what prompted King Solomon to point to ants in Proverbs. Reading now Proverbs chapter 6, verses 6 through 11. Take a lesson from the ants, you lazy bones, learn from their ways and become wise. Though they have no prince or governor or ruler to make them work, they labor hard all summer, gathering food for the winter. But you, lazy bones, how long will you sleep? When will you wake up? A little extra sleep, a little more slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest. Then poverty will pounce on you like a bandit. Scarcity will attack you like an armed robber. The lazy person is one who is disinclined to work or exert himself or make preparation for the future, and such a person can become financially ruined through laziness and irresponsibility. Solomon is imploring the lazy person to look at the ant and its industriousness in working hard to provide for the future. He says that considering these virtues and learning from them is a wise thing to do. So, be sure to take a lesson from the ants and learn from their ways. This is Mary Dubler, and I hope you've enjoyed learning about ants. Please watch others of our videos in this series on animals, birds, and bugs of the Bible.